On a quiet morning, when the world still felt soft and unhurried, a small basket of yarn sat beside a window. Dust danced in the sunlight, and the yarn rested there patiently, as if waiting for someone brave enough to begin. A curious pair of hands finally reached out, unsure, a little nervous, but hopeful. That single moment, lifting the yarn, feeling its softness, marked the beginning of a journey. Not just a crochet journey, but a journey of patience, creativity, and quiet happiness. Crochet often begins this way, not with skill or confidence, but with curiosity. For beginners, crochet can look intimidating at first. Hooks, yarns, stitches, patterns, it can all feel like a new language. But crochet is gentle. It welcomes mistakes. It allows you to learn at your own pace. With every stitch, it reminds you that beautiful things take time. The first thing a beginner notices is the yarn. Yarn is the heart of crochet. It comes in different colors, textures, and thicknesses, each with its own personality. For beginners, choosing the right yarn matters. Soft, smooth yarn that is not too thin helps your hands learn faster. Light-colored yarn makes it easier to see your stitches clearly. Yarn teaches patience. Pull it too hard and it resists. Hold it too loosely and it slips away. Finding balance becomes your first lesson. Next comes the crochet hook. Hooks are simple tools, yet powerful. As a beginner, you don't need many. One comfortable hook that fits your yarn is enough. When you hold your hook, it should feel relaxed in your hand. Your grip doesn't need to be tight. Crochet should feel calm, not stressful. If your hands ache, it's a reminder to slow down, breathe, and adjust. The very first stitch you learn is the slip knot. Small and humble, yet meaningful. This knot marks the start of everything you'll create. From there, you move on to the chain stitch. Chains form the foundation of many crochet projects. As you practice chaining, you learn control. Chains that are too tight make your work stiff. Chains that are too loose lose shape. Crochet gently teaches you that balance is key. Soon, beginners move on to basic stitches like single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. These stitches may look simple, but they open endless possibilities. With them, you can create scarves, blankets, hats, bags, baby clothes, and home decor. Crochet shows you that repeating small actions with care can lead to something meaningful and beautiful. One of the most important things beginners must look out for is tension. Tension is how tightly you hold the yarn as you work. Uneven tension leads to uneven fabric. In the beginning, your stitches may look messy, uneven, or inconsistent. That's completely normal. Crochet is not about perfection, it's about practice. With time, your hands learn the rhythm and your stitches begin to flow naturally. Counting stitches is another skill beginners need to develop. It's easy to lose track, especially when your mind wanders or you get too relaxed. Missing stitches can change the shape of your work. Counting teaches focus and mindfulness. It helps you stay present in the moment, fully connected to what your hands are creating. Mistakes are part of every crochet journey. Beginners often worry when they make errors, but crochet is forgiving. You can undo stitches and try again. Pulling out your work is not failure, it's learning. Crochet teaches resilience. It shows you that starting over is not something to fear, but something to embrace. Another important thing to look out for is posture and comfort. Beginners sometimes crochet for long hours without breaks, leading to sore hands or stiff shoulders. Crochet should be comfortable. Sitting properly, using good lighting, and taking regular breaks protect your body. Stretching your fingers and wrists helps you enjoy the craft longer. Crochet is meant to bring peace, not pain. Now let's talk about the importance of crochet items. Every crochet piece holds value beyond its appearance. Handmade crochet items carry time, effort, and emotion. Unlike machine-made products, crochet pieces are personal. When you crochet something, you are giving part of yourself to it. Crochet items in the home bring warmth and character. A crochet blanket adds comfort to a bed or couch. Crochet cushion covers make a space feel cozy and welcoming. Crochet table runners, coasters, and placemats protect surfaces while adding charm. These items turn a house into a home filled with personality and care. Crochet clothing and accessories also hold deep importance. A crochet scarf is not just for warmth, it's a symbol of care. A crochet hat offers protection and style. Crochet bags are strong, reusable, and environmentally friendly. They show that beauty and sustainability can exist together. Crochet items for babies are especially meaningful. Baby blankets, booties, hats, and clothes made with crochet carry love in every stitch. They are soft, gentle, and comforting. Parents often treasure these items for years because they represent care, patience, and handmade love. Crochet also plays a powerful role in mental and emotional well-being. Many beginners discover that crocheting reduces stress and anxiety. The repetitive motion of stitching calms the mind. Crochet allows your thoughts to slow down, giving you space to breathe. It becomes a form of meditation, helping you feel grounded and peaceful. One thing beginners should look out for is comparison. It's easy to feel discouraged when seeing perfect crochet projects online, but every expert once struggled with their first chain stitch. Crochet is a personal journey. Your progress matters more than perfection. Celebrate every small improvement. Learning to read simple patterns is another step beginners take. At first, patterns may look confusing, filled with abbreviations and numbers, but over time, they become helpful guides. Patterns teach planning, patience, and problem solving. They help turn imagination into reality. Caring for crochet items is just as important as making them. Handmade crochet pieces last longer when treated gently. Washing them carefully, drying them properly, and storing them well preserves their beauty. Repairing small damages keeps them useful for years. Caring for crochet items is a way of respecting the time and effort behind them. And now, let's return to that basket of yarn by the window. The uncertain hands now move with ease. The yarn has transformed into something real, maybe a scarf, maybe a blanket. It's not perfect, but it's beautiful. The maker smiles, feeling proud, calm, and fulfilled. That is the magic of crochet. It teaches that beginnings don't need to be perfect. With patience, practice, and care, something beautiful always grows. Each stitch becomes a reminder that slow progress is still progress, and handmade things carry a happiness that machines cannot create. Crochet doesn't just give you items, it gives you confidence, calm, and creativity. And in the end, that is the happiest ending of all.